This very busy industrial scene is of Waunllwyd Colliery in Ebbw Vale, and as you can see, the railways played a massive part in the Industrial Revolution, keeping the coal mines working. The wagons would arrive full of timber tree trunks, which would have been emptied and sent down the pit. These would have been used as pit props to hold up the ceiling underground, whilst the coal was removed. The empty wagons would then be filled with coal, where it would be transported and sold all over the world, including the Royal Navy, who would use the coal to run their ships. The coal mine was owned by the Ebbw Vale company, and you can clearly see the letters E and V on the large number of the wagons waiting to be filled. Behind the colliery on the hill, you can see a row of houses which is part of Waunllwyd village. These houses would have been built for the coal miners who worked in the colliery, which is just as well, given the noise and smells the residents would have experienced being so close to the pit. Today, virtually nothing remains of this heavy industrial scene. The colliery is long gone, and with a cleaner air and less pollution, trees have started to reclaim the area. Even the street of narrow houses has been demolished. Today, a new housing development sits on the old site of the colliery. Only a single train track, carrying passengers only, acts as a reminder of a time when coal trains were a frequent sight in Waunllwyd.